Dear students and UK immigrants or people living in the UK Home Office Immigration and Nationality Fee increases on 4th October 2023. So this is good time that if you want to apply visa in couple of months, so it's better to apply before 4th of October, and then you can take date in Supersteria so that you may pay less fee instead of paying more fee. So let's discuss and understand that people who want a visa, permission to stay or citizenship in the UK usually have to pay for it. Fee have risen significantly over the 20 years. For example, applications to settle in the UK indefinitely used to be free. So there was a time when there was no fee, and then now it is around £2,400. So further significant increases come into force from 4th October 2023. Despite there are so many complaints from migrants, businesses, but even then the government deliberately changes about the cost of processing applications to help fund the wider borders and immigration system. The application fee and health surcharge, International Health Surcharge, often cost thousands of pounds. So we know that immigration health surcharge is per annum £624 and that is for visas and extensions. Then there is also an employer levy of up to 1,000 a year on work permits. So all in, a 5-year work visa cost around £7,000. And if you are applying for spouse visa for only 2.5 years by marrying to a British woman or man, so fee is £3,400. So there are some exemptions from fees and surcharge for certain groups, in particular applications for asylum and EU settlement scheme, where you don't need to pay. People who cannot afford to pay for the family roots or child citizenship can also apply for a fee waiver. The Home Office generates a surplus on visa fee to cross-subsidize border security. So successive governments have taken the view that the people who benefit most from the immigration system, migrants themselves, should contribute to its costs. The Home Office wants migration and border operations to be largely self-funding. UK Visas and Immigration UKVI, part of the Home Office, has a cost recovery target of 149% of the administrative cost. So, but generating income is not only the relevant factor. The Immigration Act 2014 permits the Home Secretary to take account of economic growth in setting fees, along with cost, benefit to migrants, and few other factors. Fee have increased significantly above inflation in recent years. So until 2003, the UK charged nothing at all for visa extensions. So till 2003, there was no visa extension fee, work permits and settlement. Fee for initial visas and citizenship were relatively very modest, normal. A student visa cost was only £33. The Blair government began charging about the processing cost in order to fund wider immigration activities. Later governments continued that process and added health surcharge. In 2015, International Health Surcharge was added, and then employer levy was added in 2017. Government income from immigration and nationality fee rose from 184 million in 2003 to 1,500 million in 21, and not including another 1,400 million in health surcharge and 349 million in employer levies. So this is the increment. Application fee are going up by 15 to 35% and the health surcharge by 66%. So in July 2023, the government announced an increase in both headline fees and the health surcharge. From 4th October 2023, work and visit visa fee are going up by 15%, family visas, settlement and citizenship by 20%, and student visas by 35%. The health surcharge will rise by 66%, that is £1,035 a year at a date to be confirmed. The legal process for increasing this takes longer and may not be complete until 24. So when we compare with other developed countries, so UK immigration costs are much higher than other many countries like Canada, Germany, France, and USA. So I hope that this news and information helps. Thank you very much.